Hi guys, in this video I'll be going over how to add products to your PIM. So adding products, you'll click on add new at the top right hand corner. So once you click add new, you'll have these three options to add products. Option number one, you'll be able to manually add a single product to your store. Option number two, you'll be able to add bulk items to your store. You can do this via Excel sheet. You can upload all the documents and you can upload all the product details to the Excel sheet, and then once you complete adding all products to your Excel sheet, you're going to be able to upload it back into our website. You might ask, how do you get the template for the products? Once you click download template right here, you'll be able to download the product template. Once you have the product template, you just fill out these information and then you save your Excel sheet. Once you save up your Excel sheet with the product details in it, you're going to come back here and you're going to upload it. So you select the product, Excel sheet, and then you click open, and here you go. It will say uploaded successfully, and then you just click confirm. Once you click confirm, any products that are new in the Excel sheet is going to be added to your PIM. Let's say you have a product that you just want to update the information for it. Let's say you want to update the inventory count, or you want to update the description of the product. All what you have to do is that you'll have the same SKU, and then as long as you have the same SKU and you just change the details of the product, then the product will update in the PIM. So you can also bulk edit by using this option. Let's say on a new day you have new inventory count and new price for all of your products. So you'll be able to come here to the Excel sheet, and you have a list of all of your SKUs here, and then you can just change the prices, and then you just re-upload back the Excel sheet with the new prices, and then the prices will update since this product is already found in the PIM. Adding single products is also a very easy option to use if you want to add one by one manually. So if you click on single item, it will allow you to add a product one by one manually. So anything that has the star next to it means it's required field, you have to fill it out, and anything that doesn't is optional. So we can start by adding details for a product just to test it out. SKU, we can say green bag 1 2 3. The status, in the status you select, if you select active, then the product information will be shared to the channel. However, if you select draft, then the product information will not be able to be shared to the channel. As well as inactive, it will act the same. It will just keep the product information saved on the PIM, but it will not allow it to be shared and synced to the channels. If you select archived, then the product will not show under the single products, and it will be sent in a different folder called archive. It's kind of like the trash bin where you can throw the products that you're not going to use. You could also add tags, so you can filter your products later on, and you can customize products and add collection based on tags. For example, this one we can say fashion, right? Once you enter a tag, you can click enter, and then it gets added into your product. If you want to add more tags, you also can. Just click new tag again, and then you can say bags. You click enter again, and then the product gets the badge or the tag bags into it. So in the future, you could search by tags, or you could make a new collection for bags, and then you can add these products automatically into these collections. Now, product title, we can say bag. Nike. These are all optional. Here you could add an image to make it easy for you to find and see which product you're trying to edit from this page. So let's say you go to this page. Normally you would see an image of the product if it has one right here on the left side of the screen. In this section, you can enter the dimensions of the package. So if you select custom shopping dimensions, it will be able to allow you to enter new dimensions for your package. And if you click on repack dimensions, then you can find any saved package dimensions from different products that you had, and then you save the dimensions, and then you can reuse for this product. So we can go ahead and save our first repack dimensions. If we enter, for example, this one is 5 by 5 cube. Here you can enter the metric weight, we can say 25. And then we can click save package template. We can call it small cube. Once the template is saved, it will be able to locate it from the repack dimensions, save dimensions. So once you select it, the data is going to be loaded here. If you select a different one, the data will show also right here. So once you're done with all the details of the product, you can click on confirm, and then the product will get added to your single products. Okay, since the product status is required, we'll go up here and make it active. And now the product is successfully added to your store. You would also have the option to just import the product details from your channel if you have any connected channel to your PIM. So how you can do this is by clicking add new, and then once you go to import from channel, our PIM is going to show you all the connected channels that you have. Once you click one of your connected channels, in this case we have Shopify connected to our PIM, so it will show all of the products on your Shopify store, and then you'll be able to just select a product and import it. You also have a search function in case you have a lot of products in your Shopify store. We don't want you to go through one by one, so you can search for that product SKU, and then you can import the product. Let's say you have multiple channels. At the top here, you'll be able to select which channel you would like to see the products in it. In this case, we just have this Shopify store, so it is selected. Once you click add, the product gets added successfully from your Shopify store to your PIM. You would also be able to extract and export all the details of the master list in your PIM and export it in an Excel sheet. All what you have to do is click export, and then just name it and save it somewhere on your computer. And then we can open it right here to see how it looks like. Now you can see all of the details of the master list that is saved in your PIM. It gets saved in a CSV sheet and gets saved to your computer. Let's say you want to edit the prices of your products, right? Here you can see all the products that are in your store, that are in your PIM, and then you could come here and just modify and edit any of the prices of the product. For example, you want this one to be $15. Once done, you just save it, and then you can come back to the PIM to re-upload it. So you would add new bulk import, and then you could drag and drop this document that we just created. Once the upload is successful, you just click confirm, and then the products would update. As you could see, it will show you on the top right a notification box that has the summary of what has happened. So if you have any new products added, it will tell you, and then if you have any new products updated, it will also tell you how many products has been updated.